The Disability Alliance for Inclusive Goa is a newly formed association for the inclusion of persons with disability in mainstream society. This press conference is there to declare the selection of 6 para players at the Khelo India Games 2024 to be held in New Delhi from 10th to 17th December 2023, and also to promote the International Purple Fest 2024 scheduled from 8th to 13th January 2024. It is my pleasure to introduce my organization, Disability Alliance for Inclusive Goa, which works for an objective of having an inclusive society for persons with disabilities. Our main aim is to perform works related to the empowerment, development, education, employment, learning, personality and leadership development, sports, games, cultural activities for persons with disabilities, and bring them into the mainstream of the society. Being a new association, we have organized few district level para sports activities and also cultural programs. Secondly, 5 para players, namely Lloyd Fernandez, Patrick D'Souza, Anupa Pilgaonkar, medal winners for last para table tennis championship 2023, and Chetan Salgaonkar and Steny D'Souza for their overall performance at Indore, Madhya Pradesh, are selected to play at the Khelo India Para Games 2024. As well as Sakshi Kale is selected in athletics under persons with visual impairment category at Khelo India Para Games. We are also here to promote the International Purple Fest 2024. Last Purple Fest 2023 gave us an opportunity to witness mega movement on disabilities wherein more than 10,000 people across the country have participated. Whether through sports, arts or cultural performances, Purple Fest emphasizes the capabilities of persons with disabilities rather than focusing on limitations. Purple Fest has been path-breaking in many ways, wherein a specially designed accessible e-rickshaw vehicle from Easy Move was launched in Panjim. The wheelchair accessible e-rickshaw is facilitating easy movement of persons with disabilities in the most convenient way, empowering many of the wheelchair users who otherwise were confined to their homes. Our members had the opportunity to organize the Purple All India Para Table Tennis Championship 2023, wherein 117 para table tennis players, men and women across the country, took part in the successful event. Our association also got the opportunity to showcase the Goan folk art on wheelchair, where persons with disabilities find it, the normal persons also find it difficult to perform this Gove dance. But this time, this unique dance performance was given by the persons with disabilities. Purple Fest 2023 ignited a transformative wave, bringing increased awareness to the forefront of the government bureaucracy. We are also thrilled to share that the Goa government had responded with profound commitment and approved the establishment of independent department for the person with disability in the state. This milestone marks a significant growth towards empowerment, paving the way for inclusive policies and initiatives in the years to come. A commendable step towards a more inclusive Goa. On behalf of our association, I take this opportunity to congratulate Sri Guru Prasad Pavaskar for being awarded the Best State Commissioner in the country. And so also, I congratulate Sri Taha Azik for for being awarded the Sarveshtra Divyangjan. Our association is actively taken part in various programs, the proposals of which is submitted to the organizers. International Purple Fest Goa 2024 is providing a platform to showcase achievements, capabilities, and contributions of persons with disabilities. These events contribute to changing attitudes for fostering a more inclusive mindset. We appeal to all the Goans to come and witness the mega event on persons with disabilities, the dates of which are 8th January 2024 to 13th January 2024. Thank you. See, DRAG is working for the last 20 years, and why not to have another association? It is not a competition. We want more.
It is also association as it is also association, but for my case, even I say if I go to my case, if it is working for last 20 years, and I think I didn't get any help from the drag association, I can say.
No, they have done a lot of work over the last 20 years, but now see, we are a new face. Okay, we want something to do for the persons with disability in the sector of sports. Sports and kinds now. So I think it is our first association who is really conducting events.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.